It's your boy Eric here from Biggie Bikes. Uh, I got to change out my pegs, so figured I'd make a video showing you how to do how to take out these pegs. Pretty simple. All you need is a screw gun and the right socket, and you're good to go. So first thing you got to do is take out the socket or the nut that's in here. Just insert that in there, and there you go. There, that comes out. Pull this off. Pull the spacer off. And then pretty much just pull this side out. I believe it's kind of hard because it's, there we go. Wheel is still on the ground. So yeah, once you have that out, just set everything back how you had it. Let's see. That goes on that. That goes in there. And then put that on. And so yeah, if you want to know how these work, I got a video actually explaining how I did all this. It's pretty easy. I'll put a link down below. But yeah, so pretty much all you need is a longer through axle than the stock one, and you're good. Then you put the pegs on, and yeah, kind of set like that. It just goes like that. But I gotta change these out for a smaller one. I don't need the pegs anymore, so yeah, let's do it. And boom, there you go. Slide the axle in. Line everything up. Tighten everything up. Tighten all the nuts and screws. Or just the one axle. And you're set. It's that easy.